Nilamo niya yung ano, yung sardinas. Yummy, yummy. Is it yummy?
You want your rice with the soup?
Hello everyone! Naanasad mi ang inyong feeling vlogger nga gamay, nag-follower. So for today's video is nag-request yung mga anak ko ng sardinas ulit. Kaya kanina pumunta kami ng town sa sa Chinese store. At saka doon ako bumili ng Filipino na sardinas again. To mega sardines. Kasi tinanong ko sila kanina kung anong gusto nila kainin for dinner. Tapos ang sabi nila, nag-crave daw sila ng Filipino sardines. So ayun, bumili ako ng mega sardines, yung Filipino na sardinas natin. At lalagyan ko lang to ng toyo tsaka kalamansi. Lagay natin sa bowl. Gusto nila itong Filipino sardines na may kalamansi tsaka toyo. Dalawa yung binili ko para hindi sila mabitin.
Mommy?
Yes.
What you making?
I make sardines.
A sardina?
Sardinas, yeah. Do you like sardinas?
Yeah.
Yes. Yan, tapos lagyan natin ng toyo. Para medyo maalat. Kasi yun yung gusto nila, yung may toyo, tsaka may kalamansi. Pero wala, yung kalamansi ko, yung tawag dito, may puno ako ng kalamansi dito, kaya lang naubos yung bunga. Kaya bumili na lang ako ng lime. Ito, lime. Parang kalamansi din naman ito maasim. Kaya lagyan natin ng lime. Yung ating, sardinas. Yan.
Mommy,
Mix natin.
what you making? Is that a sardina?
Yes, it is sardinas. So, ayan. Natapos na yung sardinas. Na-mix ko na lahat. So, kakain na kami. Nagluto rin ako ng hotdog. Check mo muna yung niluto ko. So, ito yung dinner namin today. Yung sardinas na may lemon tsaka toyo, tapos may chicken hotdog with banana sauce, banana ketchup.
Yummy.
At may nagprito din ako ng manok, yung chicken wings. Tsaka syempre yung main na pagkain natin, yung rice. So, let's start eating, guys. Bon appetit. Okay, start eating now.
You forgot me.
Come here, Philia. Jackie, get your chicken hotdog.
For people who want to know, Philia's just getting milkshake for us, except for Mummy. You reveal everything.
Jackie, you want some banana ketchup?
Yeah, please.
Okay, kasi put a little bit for her. First time nilang mag-try ng banana ketchup, so let's see their reaction. Kung masasarapan ba sila sa ketchup na to or hindi. Pero yung tomato ketchup, gusto nila yun. So, first time nilang mag-try ng banana ketchup.
No way. Jackie first.
Sit down, Philia.
No. Jackie first. Yummy. Youngest go first. Let me do it first.
1 minute, I'll do it 1 minute. Okay, the banana ketchup. Get your hot dog. Dip it with the ketchup. And tell me what it tastes like.
Tastes like...
Do you like it?
It's spicy.
It's not spicy.
The sauce.
Is it spicy? You sure?
It is yummy though. It's really yummy. It tastes like...
Do you like the banana ketchup, Philia?
It tastes like a hot dog. Hot dog.
Is it nice? Do you like it?
Sweet and spicy at the same time. It's like a hot dog. Now I'm gonna get some
Did they took the spicy one?
I think so.
Oh.
It just says Tammy's banana sauce.
Hindi ko I did not read.
Spicy.
Yeah, I did not read the label. I just took it.
That's alright.
So yung yung manghang pala yung nakuha ko kanina. Hindi ko binasa.
Is it meant to be sweet?
So, nag-request sila ng sardinas. Kaya yan. Gumawa ulit ako ng sardinas na gusto nila yung may lemon tsaka toyo. Come on. So, what can you say about the sardinas again? It's been how many? Is it 2 months?
I think it's like 1 month or 2 months.
Yes, it's been more than a month.
Yeah, it's been more than a month.
Do you still like it, the sardinas?
Yeah.
Is it still nice?
The sauce is delicious. It's been like 2 months we haven't had it, I think.
Okay. Give some to Jackie kasi, their sardinas.
Too spicy. I need water first.
Oh.
Come on.
Ang sabi nila, masarap daw yung yung banana ketchup natin, kaya lang maanghang. Yung spicy pala yung napili ko. Hindi ko man lang binasa. Basta nakita ko lang yung UFC, kinuha ko agad. So next time, dapat pala basahin ko na yung
Sardinas is yummy.
yung tawag dito, yung nakasulat. Jackie, is it nice, the sardinas?
Yeah.
Yes, always. So gustong-gusto talaga nila yung sardinas. This is my oldest. It's Philia. What's your sardinas? You ate it already? Get some more. And this is my youngest, Jackie. Say hi, Jackie.
The middle.
And this is
Middle.
Yeah, yung pangalawa kong anak. Si Cassie.
Middle child.
Yeah, my
Cassandra
middle
Price is
child.
my full name. Cassandra. No, don't say that. What? That's so unsafe. Just say Cassie. Yeah, but Cassandra's my full name.
That's alright. Put some more.
It ain't alright.
Put some more sardinas in
Oh,
your plate.
Hopefully, don't even know say that. She showed her full name. And how is
Yummy hot dog. Do you like the chicken hot dog, Jackie?
this sausage is really delicious. I need way more sauce for my rice. Not sardina.
Itong pangalawa kong anak, paborito niya yung sardinas. Ganyan ginagawa niya lagi, yung sauce ng sardinas, yung tomato sauce ng sardinas. Nilalagay niya sa kanin niya. Pinoy na Pinoy yung yung style niyang, yung the way siya kumakain is Pinoy na Pinoy. Nagmana yata sa akin. Kasi dati nung maliit pa ako, ganyan na ganyan din ako. Yung sauce ng tawag dito sardinas, nilalagay ko sa kanin. Eat it kasi, you keep mixing it. You haven't eat yet.
Because I want to mix it fully. There's still some white part.
Yan, si Jackie, kumuha siya ulit ng
I need to mix
sardinas.
all the banana sauce with it. Spicy rice. Yeah, I hate spicy, but I need to eat it all. Because mommy gave me lots.
Jackie, use your spoon and your fork. Do you like the banana ketchup, Julia?
Yes.
Yeah.
Let's make the banana ketchup not spicy when you mix it with the rice.
Okay, mix it up with the rice then.
I want to make it like a bit spicy.
No, mix the rice.
No. Oh, yan. Gilamon.
Make it sweet.
Nilamon niya yung yung sardinas. Yummy, yummy. Is it yummy?
You want your rice in the soup too.
So, yung yung piniritong chicken wings, ako lang yung kumain. Yung mga anak ko, yung hotdog tsaka sardinas lang yung kinakain nila. So, yung manok lang sa akin. Tsaka kunting sabaw ng sardinas sa kanin. Naubos na yung sardinas tsaka hotdog. Ayaw nila ng manok. Yung mga anak ko, hindi sila mahilig sa ano, sa mga karne. Okay, natapos na kaming kumain, guys. So, ito, naubos nila yung sardinas. Saka yung hotdog, naubos nila. Pero yung chicken, ako lang yung kumain. Hindi sila kumain ni Isa. Hindi sila tumikim.
That was very
Chicken
delicious.
wings.
That was very delicious.
The sardinas.
Very yummy.
It's very delicious daw yung sardinas.
My favorite was the rice with the banana sauce.
Spicy one? You like it? Is it?
And with the sardina, because it's not spicy, because the mayonnaise is not spicy. And my favorite was the sardina.
Yun, naubos yung kay Philia. Yung kay Jackie. May little bit rice pa siya na naiwan, tsaka little bit of hotdog. And kasi yun, ubos din.
Philia has ketchup.
Yeah, it's spicy for her. You and Jackie like spicy. So yan, yung rice. Yung kalahati, naubos yung kalahati. Yung kalahati naman, meron pa. At yun, yung chicken, hindi sila kumain, ako lang. So, that's it for today. Hope you like our video and please like and subscribe. Maraming salamat.
Yes, like and subscribe, please. You don't have to. We're not forcing. Bye-bye.
Bye. Sure.